Join me as I dive into the challenge of uncovering how pandemics have reshaped our society and what lasting effects they've left behind. Pandemics have been a part of human history for centuries, leaving behind a trail of devastating consequences. But what's often overlooked is the profound impact they've had on shaping our society. From rewiring our social norms to transforming our economy, pandemics have been a catalyst for change, often in unexpected ways. Today, we're going to explore the lasting effects of pandemics on our society and how they've reshaped the world we live in. When societies face pandemics, they're forced to adapt and evolve in response to the crisis. This often leads to significant changes in social norms and structures. For instance, during the Middle Ages, the Black Death led to a shortage of labor, which ultimately contributed to the end of the feudal system. In more recent times, the HIV epidemic has brought attention to the LGBTQ+ community, leading to increased awareness and tolerance. These changes might seem subtle, but they have a profound impact on how we live, work, and interact with each other. The challenges posed by pandemics require swift and drastic measures. Governments must respond quickly to contain the outbreak, often by imposing strict regulations on citizens. This can lead to a shift in the balance of power, with authorities taking on a more prominent role in people's lives. Moreover, pandemics often expose existing social and economic inequalities, highlighting the need for systemic change. As a result, societies are forced to re-examine their priorities and values, leading to a re-evaluation of what's truly important. In the midst of crisis, new opportunities for innovation and progress arise. Pandemics have accelerated the development of new technologies, such as vaccines and medical treatments, which have gone on to benefit society as a whole. They've also led to changes in how we work and interact with each other, with remote work and virtual communication becoming the new norm. The impact of pandemics stretches far beyond the immediate crisis. They have a lasting effect on our society, shaping our social norms, economy, and culture in profound ways. By understanding these changes, we can better prepare ourselves for future pandemics and create a more resilient society. One of the most significant examples of a pandemic-induced change is the establishment of public health systems. Prior to the 19th century, public health was not a priority for governments. However, the cholera outbreaks of the 1800s led to the realization that a coordinated public health response was necessary to protect citizens. As a result, public health systems were established, revolutionizing the way we approach disease prevention and control. This shift has had a lasting impact on our society, saving countless lives and preventing the spread of diseases. The Spanish flu pandemic of 1918 is another prime example of a pandemic-induced change. The rapid spread of the disease led to a global shortage of medical staff, which ultimately contributed to the increased participation of women in the workforce. This shift in workforce dynamics had a lasting impact on our society, paving the way for future generations of women in the workforce. In the wake of the Black Death, the medieval economy was forced to adapt to the new reality. With a shortage of labor, wages increased, and the feudal system began to crumble. This marked a significant shift in the balance of power, with workers gaining more autonomy and freedom. The Black Death also led to increased social mobility, as people moved from rural areas to cities in search of better opportunities. The lasting effects of pandemics are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of human societies. By understanding these changes, we can gain valuable insights into how our society has evolved over time and how we can prepare for future pandemics. In conclusion, pandemics have had a profound impact on our society, shaping our social norms, economy, and culture in lasting ways. As we navigate the current pandemic, it's essential that we understand this history so we can create a more resilient society that's better equipped to face the challenges of the future. So, how do you think the current pandemic will shape our society in the future? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about the importance of public health, be sure to check out our video on the history of public health systems.